In fourth place is the SoulFino. We like that this butcher block cutting board is 17 inches long and 13 inches wide. This provides a lot of space for cutting lots of things. It is built with pure bamboo. This makes it possible for your butcher block cutting board to stay neat and clean naturally at all times, as the material is antimicrobial. Moreover, carrying the SoulFino is very easy, as it has two handles that feel smooth to touch, yet provide grip. We like that this butcher block cutting board is elegantly designed to blend with the color of your kitchen cabinets and give you a touch of class and beauty. It is scratch resistant too, so no matter how often you use it in your kitchen, it will look new for many years to come. What's more, its reverse side is suited for serving drinks and food to guests. The safety of our health and that of our family members matters a lot. That is why SoulFino contains no toxic materials, so you won't have to worry about chemicals seeping into your food. Lastly, this butcher block cutting board is very lightweight, despite being sturdily built. Its pros are: it has a lifetime guarantee, it weighs only 7.03 pounds, and it is budget-friendly. However, it may be too large to wash in a standard kitchen sink. The SoulFino is a reliable butcher block cutting board built for home chefs to use when cutting food items in the kitchen. Still haven't found a butcher block cutting board that meets your needs? Well, keep watching, because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos.